God exists. Her name is Petrunija, della signora Teone Mitevske.
It is about women defying the system and winning. This film, this is a true story. An actual woman 5 years ago jumped for the cross, caught the cross, and well, her life became impossible because everybody said, you are a woman, you don't have the right to jump. When we heard this story, me and my sister 5 years ago, we saw an opportunity to speak about everything that frustrates us as women living in the Balkans.
Билан, мора да ме разбереш, прекрши ги правилата.
Попе, кои правила?
It is a feminist film. Feminism must include men also. The strive for justice of Petrunija is something that any woman or man can identify with.
Оно жена е самиот ѓао.
Црквена, си го сакат крст од насад.
Немам ли право да бидам среќна и задоволна?
19th of January, a young woman jumped in the water in Stip, and the priest gave her the cross without any problem. This is due to the courage of this individual 5 years ago who did an incredibly courageous thing. And who knows, from next year, many more women will jump for the cross, and yes, also me.